Hi everybody, for my international sport I chose lacrosse. Here is my newsletter. I started out with the history of lacrosse, and then if you scroll down, I added a picture of the field, and this page goes more into how to play lacrosse, the field, the equipment, and the rules. And I also added a link to where you can view a lacrosse game, and I did add a picture of the US official site of lacrosse. So I didn't know much about lacrosse when I first started this project, and I that's why I picked lacrosse. So lacrosse is a very high intense and high energy sport. You don't need that much equipment needed. You need a ball, a cross, a helmet, a face mask, and mouthpiece. Lacrosse was originally created by the Native Americans, and they called it stickball. And then later, the name was changed to lacrosse. The Native Americans did use stickball to train their young warriors, and they also used it for festivals and gatherings, and they usually played against other villages. So nowadays, lacrosse is played by all ages and all over the world. And one thing that I did find interesting was that lacrosse has different rules and different field sizes for men and women. So I did find that very interesting. I added the US lacrosse website right here, and then I got most of my information from the official lacrosse site. So I hope everybody enjoyed my presentation, and I look forward to seeing everybody else's. Thank you.